I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I open my eyes and turn off the alarm. I open my eyes and turn off the alarm. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. Then I take a shower. Then I take a shower. I put on clean clothes. I put on clean clothes. I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I usually eat bread, eggs, and cheese. I usually eat bread, eggs, and cheese. I drink tea or coffee. I drink tea or coffee. After breakfast, I take my bag. After breakfast, I take my bag. I leave home at 8 o'clock. I leave home at 8 o'clock. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus for 10 minutes. I wait for the bus for 10 minutes. The bus comes and I get on. The bus comes and I get on. There are many people on the bus. There are many people on the bus. I sit next to the window. I sit next to the window. I listen to music on the way. I listen to music on the way. After 20 minutes, I arrive at school. After 20 minutes, I arrive at school. I meet my friends at the entrance. I meet my friends at the entrance. Classes start at 9 o'clock. Classes start at 9 o'clock. The teacher says hello to us. The teacher says hello to us. We read and write in class. We read and write in class. We listen to texts and do exercises. We listen to texts and do exercises. Sometimes we speak English with classmates. Sometimes we speak English with classmates. At 10:30, we have a break. At 10:30, we have a break. I drink water and eat an apple. I drink water and eat an apple. After the break, we have math. After the break, we have math. I like math. It is interesting. I like math. It is interesting. At 12 o'clock, we have lunch. At 12 o'clock, we have lunch. I eat soup and bread for lunch. I eat soup and bread for lunch. After lunch, we have 2 more classes. After lunch, we have 2 more classes. I feel a little tired, but I continue to study. I feel a little tired, but I continue to study. At 3 o'clock, classes finish. At 3 o'clock, classes finish. I go outside with my friends. I go outside with my friends. We talk and laugh together. We talk and laugh together. Sometimes we buy ice cream. Sometimes we buy ice cream. I take the bus back home. I take the bus back home. At home I have a little rest. At home I have a little rest. I lie on the sofa and listen to music. I lie on the sofa and listen to music. At 5 o'clock I do my homework. At 5 o'clock I do my homework. I read English and write new words. I read English and write new words. I study for 1 or 2 hours. I study for 1 or 2 hours. Then I help my mother in the kitchen. Then I help my mother in the kitchen. I cut vegetables for dinner. I cut vegetables for dinner. We eat dinner together at 7 o'clock. We eat dinner together at 7 o'clock. We talk about our day at the table. We talk about our day at the table. After dinner, I wash the dishes. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then I watch TV with my family. Then I watch TV with my family. Sometimes we watch a movie. Sometimes we watch a movie. At 9 o'clock, I take a shower again. At 9 o'clock, I take a shower again. I brush my teeth before bed. I brush my teeth before bed. I put on my pajamas. I put on my pajamas. I read a little book in bed. I read a little book in bed. Sometimes I listen to quiet music. Sometimes I listen to quiet music. I think about my day. I think about my day. I feel happy and relaxed. I feel happy and relaxed. I say goodnight to my family. I say goodnight to my family. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. I go to sleep at 10 o'clock. I go to sleep at 10 o'clock.